Welcome to WCrypto.
Hello, my friends. Welcome back to WCrypto. Bitcoin is consolidating on the 1-hour chart between 96,500 and 99,600. The trusty yellow box is acting as resistance for now, but not for long. The point of control from the VRVP indicator sits at 96,600, providing solid support, and we are still holding above it. Are we in for a Santa rally this year? Let's dive deeper. The Crypto Fear and Greed Index from CoinMarketCap stands at 62, still indicating greed, even after over $1 billion in liquidations yesterday. However, market sentiment seems bearish, fueled by fear and even some negative press. For instance, the Kobayashi letter on X.com published a piece suggesting Bitcoin is overdue for a correction. The post highlights how Bitcoin prices historically lag global money supply by about 10 weeks. With the global money supply dropping $4.1 trillion in the past 2 months, they suggest Bitcoin could drop $20,000 to around $80,000 in the coming weeks. In my opinion, an $80,000 Bitcoin is just not feasible, especially in a halving year. Supply shock is coming, hitting miners and large buyers hard as usual toward the end of the year. Let's not forget the historical patterns in the fourth quarter of previous halving years. December alone saw gains of 46.9%, 2% in 2020, and 30.8% in 2016. This year, we are up just 0.81% so far. This recent correction feels more like a shakeout of weak hands and over-leveraged traders. Even institutional investors in ETFs were spooked yesterday. Total outflows reached $277 million, with the biggest sellers being Grayscale at minus $57.4 million, iBit at minus $72.7 million, Fidelity at minus $71.9 million, and ART21 shares Bitcoin ETF at minus $87 million. However, not everyone is bearish. Franklin Bitcoin ETF and Grayscale Bitcoin mini trust players bought the dip, adding $5.6 million and $6.4 million respectively. For now, we will keep a close eye on the charts. As we approach the end of the year, history suggests there is still room for upside potential. I wish you a fantastic pre-Christmas season and a great weekend. For real-time trading alerts and entry and exit thoughts, join our Discord. If you found value in this video, give it a like to help the channel grow. Subscribe and click the bell to stay updated. And see you in the next one.